My name is Joel. I'm 40 years old. So my occupation is I'm the head of commercial planning for MNC company. No, I think more like the second time. Yes. So the first time was more on about 13 years back. I kind of lost touch. So I got introduced to Beyond Insight through Facebook. Actually, one of my colleagues also participated and she was recommending this. So let's say, why not give it a try? I think it's the sincerity of Caitlin really wanting to impart her teaching, her wisdom in terms of investing. Especially like the way that she talks about protecting the assets, protecting our investment rather than just it's a fast money kind of cost. So that is my main reason why I joined. Stock market, what I've learned about 13 years back, I would say it's quite difficult, especially on the platforms and options and all those derivatives. But I think after this course, I think it's very simple. The 3-step is really simple for me to follow. Nothing too much on a lot of difficult strategies or anything. So for me, it's I would say very complex what I thought before, but actually after attending this workshop, it's much simpler. For me, I'm quite confident that Caitlin's process or the Beyond Insight process is it's good enough for me to try. Yeah, because prior to this, like I say, I've attended other courses. I've also read about it. I've also researched through YouTube. There's nothing. It's quite complete. So what we went through the 2 days in swing trading, as well as one more day before the GSME, I think it's quite complete. The reason why I joined Beyond Insight is the support. The one coach to 10 students. That's really the differentiator. Because while I've attended previous courses, we are kind of it's very difficult for us to really go into the trade because the 5 days is just not enough. And while they do offer some tutorial, it's like one teacher to like 100 students, so it's quite difficult. So Beyond Insight, I think having this coaching system is unique, really make it easy for the students, as well as we have a bit more confidence going to the trade. So far, they are able to explain to me some of the questions I've asked, so no problem. I think they are quite good at what they do. I would say we either pay to learn or we pay to learn in the market. So I've signed up for the swing trading. I don't think it's too expensive. It's within what the market rate is. But of course, if we choose not to do it, we can use books, no doubt. But I think the support system is definitely not yet. So there's a lot of questions that is in our mind, but we are not able to do it. So if there's a risk, I would say there's a higher risk if we just choose not to attend a course and then learn it in the market. The cost may be a lot more higher. Stock trading, I really believe that we can make money if we follow a certain strategy and we stick to it. Those that will be a bit high risk will be those who tend to not follow the process. Those I would say, but it doesn't mean that they cannot attend the course. It's also beneficial for them. It's just that they need more time doing the paper trading, or they actually need to adjust their mental state before they come and do it live. My kids. Yeah, so definitely, we won't. It's difficult to not even get rich, even get comfortable just by working a day job. So definitely, what motivates me is to continue to ask myself why I want to invest, which is ultimately back to my family, my kids. How can I get more fun to actually get them a better education?